As you all know that today is iSlim Flat Tummies Day. See, iSlim Flat Tummies is a product which is a comprehensive weight management product. So a comprehensive weight management product in the sense it is a holistic weight management product as well, my dear friends. See, fat is not confined to one part or organ of the body. Fat is actually dispersed across the body. So whenever you are consuming a wellness product for that matter, we are actually looking at a holistic wellness part of it. In fact, we are looking at eliminating the bad fat from different parts of the body and not from one part of the body. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So that is the reason why this is called as a comprehensive weight management bar. There are 5 important things that you need to know so far as iSlim Flat Tummies bar are concerned. So as you all know that it comes in 4 important flavors: the orange, mango, vanilla and chocolate. So one important thing is, even though the flavors are different, the ingredients or the formulation remain the same. This is how the iSlim bar is actually formulated, my dear friends. So even though the flavors are different, in fact these flavors are nature identical flavors and nothing is artificial or synthetic in it. So everything is 100% natural in this bar. Unlike other protein bars which are available in the market, iSlim Flat Tummies bar is a fiber rich bar. It is a fiber rich bar and a less protein bar. This is how the iSlim Flat Tummies bar is positioned, my dear friends. Not only this, it contains a wonderful synergistic actives, which means that it contains a lot of botanical ingredients which are the sources of nutrition in the product. Along with this is a wonderful weight management product. See, weight management in the sense, it can be interpreted in 3 ways. The first way is to increase the weight. The second is to manage the weight or to control the weight. The third is to decrease the weight, my dear friends. So weight management word scientifically can be interpreted in these 3 ways. So fourth point, as you all know, as I told you now, it's fiber rich and it is containing very less calorie. This is very important. In fact, iSlim Flat Tummies bar comes under a category called as partial meal replacement. It is not a complete meal replacement bar. It is actually called as a partial meal replacement bar. So it is a bar in which one meal in a day has to be cut down. So during that time, this particular bar has to be taken. That is what is exactly called as partial meal replacement. So far as the meal replacement category is concerned, suppose if someone is interested, they can Google it. Meal replacement products are many in numbers. In fact, in those meal replacement products, you have complete meal replacement, you have partial meal replacement, you have only night meal replacement, you have only afternoon meal replacement. So many categories are there. So our product is called as a partial meal replacement bar. That is the reason why our bar contains very less calories. Because normally the Indian diet what we have, either it is North Indian diet or South Indian diet or East or West Indian diet, whatever it is, the diet is full of calories. So this particular bar is a partial meal replacement wherein you are skipping the meal and then you are consuming the bar. So this bar does not contain more calories. This contains very less calories, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you. This is what is called as a less calorie bar. And this is 100% natural based as well. It does not contain any kind of synthetic elements in it. It does not contain any chemicals in it, any kind of preservatives in it as well. Even the pulps which are used, even the flavors which are used are nature identical flavors, my dear friends. It is not anything synthetic or artificial in this. And even the color which appears on it is a natural fruit pulp. It does not have any kind of synthetic elements in it. Going ahead, friends, overweight and obesity for that matter. See, we are targeting a segment here called as overweight and obesity. See, overweight and obesity are 2 faces of a coin again. The first step is the overweight. The second step is the obesity always. It all depends on something called as the BMI, the body mass index. This is which actually determines the overweight and obesity. See, normally when the BMI is less than 19, the people are actually called as the underweight people. So even for such people, iSlim Flat Tummies bar can be given, but after eating the bar, they have to consume nutritious, protein-rich and carbohydrate-rich foods. Then the weight gain can happen in such people. This is how the bars are actually designed, my dear friends. Not only this, overweight in the sense the BMI is more, obesity still the BMI is more than 30 actually. See, normally what happens, see, up till 19 to 24 if you see, that is actually the normal weight, the BMI. From 24 to 29 is actually called as overweight. From 30 onwards, it is called as obesity. Nowadays, the World Health Organization has designated even more grades of BMI for obesity. It is more than 30 is also called as obesity, my dear friends. And one of the important thing that everybody is asking these days is, when will we get back the iSlim bar? See, we would assure you that by this weekend, or by the next week probably, by October 15th is what the date is. So we will be getting the iSlim Flat Tummies bar. It will be there in the market, so don't have to worry about it. Okay, I hope the people who are watching me have heard me now. By October 15th, we will be able to get the bars back to you. So, going ahead friends, obesity and overweight for that matter, they are called as metabolic disorders. They are not called as diseases, my dear friends. They are called as metabolic disorders. So, metabolic disorder for that matter is nothing but a variety of diseases, a combination of various diseases actually. So, starting from diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, decrease in immunity, increased risk of cancer, osteoarthritis, asthma can happen in the body, high blood cholesterol, renal failure, sleep apnea can happen many times, psychological or emotional effects can happen, gout, which is nothing but the increase in the uric acid levels, can happen, low back pain can happen, pregnancy related defects can happen, liver disease, which is exactly called as the fatty liver disease, can happen, paralysis, stroke. This is because a very important thing, normally what happens is during the previous days, it was actually considered that this paralysis stroke happens because of the increase in the stress levels. That was actually a older notion. But during the current era, it can be seen that it can be seen that the paralysis stroke normally happens because of increase in the bad fat inside the human body. So whenever the bad fat increases inside the human body, automatically the paralysis stroke is happening because the brain is also getting loaded with the bad fat. I hope my point is clear. So whatever the symptoms I told you right now are combining together to form something called as the overweight and obesity. There is a reason why overweight and obesity is actually called as the metabolic disorder. I hope my point is clarified to everyone. So going ahead friends, the composition of iSlim Flat Tummies bar. As you all know that it contains a synergistic composition of Salacia reticulata, which is anti-diabetic in nature. It also contains the goodness of Coleus forscoli, which is a weight reduction ingredient. It also contains the sesame seeds, which reduces the cholesterol. When you look at it from a scientific perspective, this particular FB3 or the synergistic composition of ingredients, this contains three important things. One is the anti-diabetic component, the second is the weight reduction component, the third is the cholesterol reducing component as well. So this is how this particular three ingredients can cause this weight management inside the human body. Not only this, my dear friends, Salacia is a wonderful ingredient for that matter. Salacia, it promotes weight loss by preventing fat deposition. It prevents the development of adipocytes or the fat cells. It prevents the accumulation of fats and oils in the fat tissue. It promotes the activity of genes that support the breakdown of fats. It inhibits the activity of enzymes and genes that promote the storage of fats. It increases the level of adiponectin, hormone that stimulates the breakdown of fats. It regulates the activity of proteins in the body like the PPAR gamma and the AMPKs, which influence the body in the development of obesity. It normalizes the glucose and lipid metabolism. See, these are all wonderful aspects of this wonderful ingredient called as Salacia reticulata. So it has a lot of scientific attributes, my dear friends. So going ahead, it regulates the fat metabolism as well. See, normally it regulates a protein which controls the cholesterol and lipid levels in the body. Regulation of this PPAR gamma protein can aid in treating the obesity and metabolic syndromes. See, normally PPAR refers to, P is for prevention of accumulation of lipids in heart and the liver. Another R refers to reduction of cholesterol and blood lipid level. A refers to decrease in body weight and body fat. P refers to prevents inflammation. So PPAR protein is responsible for balancing the lipid metabolism. By influencing the activity of this protein, Salacia will reduce the obesity, hyperlipidemia, which is nothing but increase in the bad fats. It will reduce it. Bad fat here indicates the LDL, which is nothing but the low density lipoproteins and triglycerides, and fatty liver disease, accumulation of fat inside the liver. This is how exactly this PPAR gamma, this particular protein, is stimulated by this ingredient Salacia reticulata. Well, it also prevents the absorption of fat from the diet. This is very important. Well, before I go into this, you all know that liver is one of the important organs in the human body. The liver itself is called as a dustbin of the body actually. So just to convey this scientific matter to you in a very common way, I am using this example. The liver is actually considered as the dustbin of the human body. Why I am telling you this is everybody has a dustbin in their house. So whenever the dustbin is filling up, normally it stinks. So what exactly happens is, whenever you don't throw the dust out, the stinking can increase more, the smell can increase more, by which what will happen, so normally the diseases can spread in the house if you don't throw the dustbin out. The next thing, similarly in the human body what is happening, the liver is called as a dustbin. We are all eating and drinking every day, the lots of diet and whatever it is there. All this, the diet will get accumulated inside this liver. So once it is accumulated inside this liver, the liver also has to undergo the cleaning process or the detoxification process. So whenever the detoxification process is not happening, my dear friends, this particular liver will be the cause for various diseases in the body. And even the bad fat accumulation also happens because of this particular non-detoxification of the liver. So this can happen well with an ingredient like Salacia reticulata. That is one important part of it. The second thing is, Salacia also is responsible for preventing the absorption of fat from the diet, because lipase is an enzyme that plays an important role in digestion and deposition of fat. Experimental studies prove that the extract obtained from stem and leaves of Salacia inhibit the activity of lipase. Polyphenolic compounds such as mangiferin, epicatechin show strong inhibition. This also prevents the metabolism and absorption of fat from the diet. I hope you got my point. The summary of this is this: your diet will contain the fat. This is important. Your diet will always contain the fat. Whenever you are consuming this iSlim Flat Tummies bar, the Salacia, what is there in the product, will absorb the fat which is present in your diet. The fat which is present in your diet, my dear friends. So directly from the diet itself, the fat will be absorbed inside. This is what is important, and the fat will pass out through your stools. This we call it as a steatoria in medical science. Steatoria is a process wherein the fat is actually passing out of the stools. This is what is the most important thing. So it also lowers the cholesterol levels. Experimental studies have proved that Salacia extracts effectively reduce cholesterol and lipids. In fact, the 500 mg of Salacia, whatever is added, these extracts are taken over for 6 weeks of time, significantly found to decrease cholesterol levels and lipid levels in patients suffering from mild to moderate hyperlipidemia. It's very important. And finally, the cholesterol lowering effects of the Salacia roots is comparable with that of statins. This is a very important line. The clinical trial has shown that the activity of Salacia is comparable to that of statins, which is an anti-hyperlipidemic drug. So this is how this wonderful herbal drug of Salacia reticulata, otherwise called as Salcital, is helping us in this wonderful product called as iSlim Flat Tummies bar to reduce the overweight and obesity. So going ahead, friends, it also has anti-diabetic property and can reduce the carbohydrate absorption as well. So Salacia reticulata exerts the anti-diabetic property by decreasing the blood glucose. It also balances the glucose and insulin levels, which lead to effective utilization of carbohydrates in the diet. It also prevents rise in the glucose levels after meals, and this in turn controls the appetite. Compounds present in Salacia reticulata, mainly it contains two important natural compounds called as salacinol and cotacanolol. It inhibits the activity of enzymes such as alpha glucosidase, which is involved in carbohydrate digestion and absorption, my dear friends. This is what is the most important point about this wonderful ingredient called as Salacia reticulata. Well, I hope now you have got a complete idea of what this Salacia reticulata or Salcital is actually doing in this wonderful product iSlim Flat Tummies bar. If someone is not able to view this, please do share this as watch parties, host this as watch parties on the other social media platforms, so that they can also learn about what this Salacia is all about in our product iSlim Flat Tummies bar. Well, friends, not only this, In fact, Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar also contains the goodness of natural fibers which are derived from oats and ragi. It contains the oat fibers as well as the ragi fibers. Both of them are considered as natural sources of fibers because, as I told you, unlike other protein bars which are available in the market, Indus Viva's Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar are rich with natural fibers, my dear friends. This is one important thing that everybody needs to understand here. So, apart from this, it also contains very less proteins. It doesn't contain more proteins, it contains less proteins which are in the form of hydrolysates, or they are called as isolates of proteins. It contains the soy protein and whey protein, my dear friends. Soy protein is derived from the soya bean, whereas the whey protein is derived from the milk. This is how these two important proteins can help us out in understanding the role of protein in the weight management as well. So it also contains the goodness of herbal extracts, mainly the ashwagandha, which is nothing but the Withenia somnifera, as well as the kapikachu, what we call as the velvet bean extracts. So these two extracts are helping us in reducing the weight as well, and also reducing the stress during the weight management process as well. This is how exactly these two herbal extracts are helping us out in understanding how their role is there in the overweight and obesity, in controlling them. So, suppose if a person is diabetic also, you can give the Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar. Why I am telling you this is, in fact, diabetes and obesity are two faces of a coin. So whenever a person is said to be diabetic, he or she can also become obese. Similarly, whenever a person is obese, he or she can become diabetic also. So whenever a person is said to be diabetic, you can also give the Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar because it does not contain any sugar. In case of blood pressure, you can definitely give Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar without worrying much about the side effects. In case of pregnancy also, for the first 6 months, the Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar can be used, my dear friends, without any worries. For the last 3 months, it should not be used. During the lactation process as well, or the breastfeeding process as well, it can be used after the first month of delivery. From the second month onwards, it can be used. So, during the thyroid problems as well. So, whenever a lady is having a thyroid problem, normally there will be an impact on the weight as well. So, in such conditions also, Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar can be used. In case of heart problems, because heart is a vulnerable organ where the deposition of fat is normally happening. So, during such situations also, it can be easily used. And during the skin issues also, it can be easily used, my dear friends. For the best results, I would suggest you to consume Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar between 7 to 9 p.m. by having a light optional dinner at 6 p.m. my dear friends. This is how exactly the Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar can be used. With the help of Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar, you can eliminate the bad fat out and good fat, it can be retained inside. This is how Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar is helping the human beings, the mankind, in reducing or managing the weight, my dear friends. So thank you so much, Vivites, for your patient watching. Well, thanks so much we appreciate your participation in the series as well. So now this is a question answer time. So today my colleague Dr. Vinil has collected the questions for me. So before that, I would like to tell you that there is a link which is appearing below the chat box. Whenever you click the link, so you can feed your questions there. You can enter your email ID and the phone number. Please don't forget to enter your email ID there along with the phone number. You can pose your questions. So definitely my team will get back to you with the answers as well, my dear friends. So let me take up the questions now. So the first question by Mr. Venkatesh. I am a diabetic. I want sugar medicine. So probably if you are a diabetic, if you are looking for a supplement like iCoffee, iCoffee is actually a supplement which can be used for it, Mr. Venkatesh. You can definitely use that. Suppose if you have obesity related symptoms, then Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar can be used along with iCoffee as well. The next question is by Mr. Nikhil. Does open heart surgery patients can use Ice Slim? Absolutely yes. You can definitely use it without any problems, because once the fat accumulation can reduce, even after the surgeries, the fat accumulation can be there. So Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar can sufficiently, it can reduce the bad fat, so you can definitely use it. So the next question is by Mr. Zubair Syed. Can Ice Slim decrease bad cholesterol and I can consume it for LVH? And I'm a patient of bipolar disorder since 10 years. Yes, you can definitely use it without worrying much about the side effects. So you can use 1 bar in the day, Mr. Zubair Syed. It can reduce the bad cholesterol as well. So the next question is by Mr. Ahmad. I have sarcoidosis problem, please suggest. So Mr. Ahmad, I would suggest you definitely iPulse in this situation, not iSlim bar. iPulse 30 ml twice daily can definitely help you in this occupational hazard. Sarcoidosis is actually called as an occupational hazard, my dear friends. Mr. Lakshmi Kant Wagman is asking one of the questions, can diabetes patient use iSlim bar for weight gain purpose? A very good question actually. You can definitely use this for weight gain purposes because it does not contain any sugar. But once you are using this for weight gain, always I would recommend you to consume this along with some carbohydrate and protein rich diet. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Miss Chinny Johnson. Can iSlim bar be taken anytime? Unable to use it by night? If you are unable to use it by night, you can use it during the day times by skipping the breakfast. So the next set of questions, Mr. Guru Prasad is asking a question now. Is iSlim flat tummy bar, which age can consume it? iSlim can be given above 6 years of age. Above 6 years of age, iSlim can be given. The next question is by Mr. Shiji Madhu. My customer consumed 3 pulse and iSlim. She is overweight, above 90, have PCOD and heart related problems, but she did not lose her weight. Please suggest. I would recommend you to consume less carbohydrates and protein diet. That is one important thing. And apart from that, you have to consume iPulse 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, and iSlim in the evening. This will definitely reduce the problems. So the next question is by Ms. Deepthi. When we eat light food after 6 p.m., then iSlim, so what? Okay, please suggest. I think the question I'll just try to modify here. Deepthi is asking a question like this. Light dinner has to be taken by 6 p.m. It is absolutely correct. iSlim bar has to be consumed between 7 to 9 p.m. That is also absolutely correct. So first you have taking some light dinner, followed by within 7 to 9 p.m. you are consuming one iSlim flat tummy bar. This is how you need to consume this. The next question is by Mr. Sheikh Salim. One of my lady distributor of age 23 years have overweight, 90 kgs and PCOD and thyroid problems. I would suggest both iSlim bar and iCoffee in these conditions because PCOD is more related with sugar metabolism. So Mr. Sheikh Salim, so one iSlim bar in the night and iCoffee half sachet twice daily can be definitely consumed. So the last question of the day that I am taking here is by Mr. Sham. If iSlim is taken, does it cause any kidney problems? Absolutely not, because we are not using any kind of crude protein in this. We are using isolated proteins or hydrolysate proteins in this, my dear friends. So it does not cause any kind of kidney related issues. So Vivites, that's it for the day. Suppose if you have any more questions, please do click on the link and send the questions to us by marking your email ID and phone numbers. We will definitely get back to you with the answers. Thanks so much, Vivites. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead. This is Dr. Balu Kolar signing off from the desk. Have a nice day. Thank you.